Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving this question, which states that evaluate the following integrals. So this is the first, second, and the third integral. Solution. So now we'll start with the first one. Integral of 3 cos x plus 4x to the power of 5 dx. Now let's analyze the integrand. Look at this function. This function, we can easily use direct integration to solve this and also this. Even this and this, even this and this. So we don't need substitution or integration by part or trigonometric substitution. So now we'll just open this bracket. This becomes integral of 3 cos x dx plus integral of 4x to the power of 5 dx. Now we can integrate this, we can integrate this. So this becomes what? Integral of 3 cos x. We can factor out the constant. It becomes 3 cos x dx plus 4 integral of x to the power of 5 dx. Now the integral of cos x is what? Is sine x. The integral of cos x is sine x. So it will be 3 sine x plus the integral of x to the power of 5 is what? Is you add 1, so it becomes 6. Then divide by the 6. And since it's an indefinite integral, plus c, which is a constant of integration. So this becomes what? We can reduce this. This becomes 3 sine x plus 2 enter 2 times 2 over 3. So it will be 2 over 3 x to the power of 6 plus c. So this is the final answer. So this is the integral of this function. So now this is the second one, and we'll use the same method. So we open the bracket, it becomes 3 exponential x dx minus integral of 2 sec square x dx. So now we'll factor out the constants. It becomes integral of 3 integral of exponential x dx minus 2 integral of sec square x dx. So this becomes what? The integral of exponential x is exponential x minus the integral of sec square x is what? Is tan x. So it becomes minus 2 tan x, then plus c. So this is the integral of this function. Then let's move to the third one. So here is the third integral. We also use the same method. It becomes integral of 4x dx minus, because we're opening this bracket, this integral times by this 4x, and this dx will times by here. So we are timesing both integral and dx by each of these functions. That's why it's integral of 4x dx minus, to be integral, since integral is timesing by this and dx is timesing by this, to be integral of 3 exponential x dx. So this becomes, we factor out the constant 4 exponential x, 4 integral of x dx minus 3 exponential x dx. So this becomes 4 x squared over 2 minus 3 exponential x plus c. So this becomes what? 2x squared minus 3 exponential x plus c. This is the integral of this function. So we have evaluated all these three integrals. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email within the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.